Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later. On the application of Suno, you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Suno and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then, as you see, you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.